Welcome, beautiful souls. Welcome to the Heal, Align, and Thrive show, and where is your space to learn, grow, and transform your purpose into power. I'm your host, Coach Preeti Kang, and today's episode is truly special. We have with us a woman whose journey is not just inspiring, it is iconic. She is the founder and CEO of Art Hill Imprints, a leading integrating advertisement and digital agency built in 25 years of innovation. Wow. Trust and storytelling excellence. She has been honored with the iconic Women's Achievement Award 2025 by MS Talks and the Prestige Award 2025 by Lions Club International, and her agency Art Hill also won the Silver Award at Waves 2025, where she had the privilege to meeting our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. That's a big dream, I will say for me, and a movement where that continues to inspire thousands across the industries. She is a wisdom leadership coach, TEDx speaker, independent director, and mentor who guides leaders in emotional intelligence, stress navigations, and conscious leadership. One of her TEDx talk, whereas she said how a simple smile can rewire your brain, has touched hearts globally and revealing the deep neuroscience behind positivity, healing, and resilience. From shaping brands to shaping leaders, she is doing creativity, consciousness, and purpose driven leadership. It is my honor to welcome to the powerhouse behind Art Hill Imprints, Miss Nirja Mahajan. Nirja ji, thank you. Thank you so much for being here. And let's welcome Nirja ji.
Namaste. Namaste to all of you. And thanks, Preeti. Even I was feeling goosebumps when you were telling so much about me. It is truly a pleasure to be on your platform.
Thank you, Nirjari. Thank you. It is pleasure to have you here. And this is show various people. We have a coach, leadership, people, healer, and I think today episode will be inspiring them because
Definitely.
women's we जब हम एज ए वुमेन्स अपनी करियर को डेडिकेट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ वी आर प्लेइंग लॉट ऑफ रोल mothers, wife, daughters, but सेम टाइम जब हम आप जैसे जो आइकॉनिक होते हैं हमारी लीडरशिप में उनको मिलते हैं तो दैट्स गेट लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी. So, how is your day before we start anything?
Day is very nice, always good. In Hindi, I always say बहुत बढ़िया.
That's awesome, actually.
नहीं बहुत बढ़िया और जो हम कहते हैं वो होता भी है.
Yes, I completely agree कि जो हमारे थॉट प्रोसेस होते हैं उसी से हमारी लाइफ बनती है.
बिल्कुल बनती है.
सो जो सोचते हैं वही आता है. And so, just Nija starting, you just met the Prime Minister. And somehow I just always get inspired, a lot of, inspired from him, his leadership. And you met him after receiving the iconic Women's Achievement Award. And that's an incredible milestone. But behind every external success is an internal journey. Was there ever a time when you felt misaligned or lost before the breakthrough? And what helped you realign and rise? Because my in my show is name is Heal, Align, and Thrive, and I always start with align because that's the most important things. So we want to hear from your journey and how this helped whenever you stuck, how this helped you to realign and rise.
Definitely, Preeti. I'll tell you about it. And first, regarding my meeting with Prime Minister, I'll slightly like to correct you. The award that we got, That was in Waves 25. Waves 25 was an event,
Mhm.
an international event held in Mumbai, and it was on media, infotainment, broadcast, and we had participated in a promo video challenge. In that challenge, we got silver award.
Wow.
The gold had gone to India Today Group.
Mhm.
The bronze went to ZTV, and we Art Hill, a small agency, we were shining with these stars, these giants. And the most shining part, we were to meet our Prime Minister, Honorable Narendra Modi. Rather, I would say he came to meet all the winners.
Wow.
And that is perhaps, I think, once in a lifetime moment. He
Yep.
has that aura, and it was truly a surreal feeling at that time. And regarding my journey, I started my agency more than 25 years back. Uh, Life, it always, for everybody, not for me, for everyone, it is always a roller coaster ride.
Yes. Agree.
So the youngsters, they might not align with what I'm saying right now, but you and the other seniors people, they can all align with that, because whatever we are thinking, it never goes that way. The only thing is that we have to keep moving and going on. I started my agency like I was in job and I just wanted to do it, start something of my own. It started with a bang. We got very good clients and all. After that, I got my son. Then I had to withdraw because definitely child is the priority, and then restarting it, and all those things. Those are part of life. It happens with everybody. Now you have asked me what kept me aligned. What I will like to say is that what kept me aligned was my faith in God,
Wow.
what we call universal power.
Yeah.
See, there is a universal power, like since billions and billion of years, we can see कि सूरज के आसपास धरती घूम रही है, इतने सारे प्लैनेट्स हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली घूम रहे हैं, सीजन्स आते हैं, सीजन जाते हैं, एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग ऑटोमेटिकली.
Mhm. Yeah. True.
हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो देयर इज अ सुपर पावर, सुपर एनर्जी दैट इज मैनेजिंग ऑल दिस. वी हैव टू हैव फेथ इन दैट. And a part of that energy, that super energy, that is within us as our soul.
Yeah.
So I always had faith in that my soul, my inner energy, my parents had built in it, and further it was strengthened by my spiritual mentor. So always in life, whatever happened, whether it was on the positive side or on the negative side, whether the roller coaster ride was towards the upside or the downside, I always try to connect with my inner strength, my soul. So I think this is what which kept me going on and on and on.
Awesome. I think that's the main thing. I always say that, like, when we say that life is always gonna be like this, like, when we go with ECG, right? It is, if straight line come, we are done, right? If
We're
this
done.
is
Yeah.
going like this, then it is, we are alive. Life is the same thing, and completely, agree with you. जब जो हमारी सोल का एक्चुअल पर्पस, जब हम सोल का उस हायर पर्पस के साथ फीलिंग करते हैं, देन दैट यूनिवर्स पावर नेवर लेट अस टू गिव अप. वी
Because
जस्ट,
that gives us energy.
या, सो
When our inner energy connects with the super energy,
या.
it happens that way. घर में हम लाइट ऑन करते हैं तो क्या होता है, बल्ब क्यों जलता है? Because at that time it is connected to the powerhouse,
या.
from where it is drawing its energy. The same way we are drawing energy from the superpower.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that keeps us going on.
Yeah.
And the more we connected, the more charged we remain.
Yeah. Yes, completely agree with that. And 25 years business is, it is very tough years job. I can see that, uh, especially with the business, it's not like job 9 to 5 we are done, but it's 25 years is lot time. So is there any आपको ऐसी moment आई हो जहाँ पे आपने you need to choose between successful थिंग्स कि जो तुम आपको सक्सेस कर रही है, सक्सेसफुल करवा रही है, और यू फेल्ट समवेयर के वो सोल अलाइंड, दोनों में से किसी को कभी ऐसे लाइफ में टाइम आया कि यहाँ पे हमें मुझे सोल अलाइन जाना है या फिर मुझे सक्सेस, दोनों में से एक चीज़ चूज करनी है, कभी ऐसा लाइफ में टाइम आया तो you know how you gather that courage because felt the true instead of what felt safe, because when we successful, when we choose success, we just for a few moment we feel the safe, but with the soul aligned, when I say that, go with the soul aligned, always a tough way, it is not easy way. So do you have any moment like that in your life, that will be you know give a lot of.
Preeti, I would say that whenever you are in business, there are thousands of that kind of moments. But I think I didn't have to make any choice
Mm-hmm.
because from the childhood, like my parents brought up us in that way only.
Mm-hmm.
कि बेटा रास्ता सही ही लेना है.
Yeah.
This was further strengthened by our spiritual mentor.
Okay.
जब हम सोल अलाइंड होते हैं तो
Mm-hmm.
फिर चॉइस नहीं रहती. बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स आते हैं, बहुत लोग गाइड करते थे. अच्छा चलो जी, अप्रूवल हो गया, पेपर अच्छे हैं, अब बीच में गंदा पेपर मिला दूं
Oh.
प्रिंटिंग के लिए, ये कुछ कुछ ऐसी चीजें. बट स्ट्रेट वे नो. जैसे जैसे मुझे इंडस्ट्री का पता चलता गया, बिकॉज फ्रेंकली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय बिजनेस, आई वाज अ सिंपल गर्ल फ्रॉम ए स्मॉल टाउन इन पंजाब, मोगा.
Yes.
एमबीए करके मैं दिल्ली आ गई, वहां पे जॉब कर रही थी. जॉब में भी बच्चों की तरह ही थे. आई स्टार्टेड वेरी अर्ली इन द बिजनेस क्योंकि एक शौक था.
Yeah.
तो बच्चों की तरह ही हमने शुरू करा था. तो कुछ भी लाइफ का या बिजनेस का पता नहीं था. बट डेफिनेटली द वैल्यूज दैट माय पेरेंट्स हैड इंस्टिल्ड, आई ट्राई टू फॉलो दैट. कि जो चीज गलत है वो गलत है, वो रास्ते नहीं जाना.
Mm-hmm.
मुझे याद है कि बहुत बार कुछ काम तो सिर्फ इसलिए छोड़ दिए थे कि बॉस से बात, मतलब उस कंपनी के लीडर से बात करते हुए टोन पसंद नहीं आई,
Mm-hmm.
तो अपने स्टाफ को बोला छोड़ो ये नहीं करेंगे. तो चॉइसेस नहीं लेनी पड़ी. इट वाज
Yeah.
कि सीधे रास्ते ही चलना है. कोशिश करिए, कभी गलतियां भी करी होंगी, मैं नहीं कहती कि हम कोई वो दूध से धुले हैं या हर बारी. हाँ गलतियां होती हैं, पर हाँ जहां पता चला वहां हमने सुधारने की भी कोशिश करी.
Yeah. No, no, I can completely relate. I'm also came from very small village, the town, whereas, when I came here, I was in tech, especially in, where is right now, Bay Area in tech. Whenever I went to parties, because somewhere you have, I think the parents, the spirituality, whatever we get that from our childhood, that stay with us. And कहीं ना कहीं वो line नहीं होती चीज़ों के साथ, तो लोग आपको थोड़ा it is tough for, especially जब हम छोटे टाउन से आते हैं, तो वो चीज़ के साथ अलाइन होने में टाइम लगता है. सो आई वेंट थ्रू, सो आई कैन कंप्लीटली रिलेट, बट नाउ आई फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, बिकॉज आप अगर आके इंडिया में छोटे वहां से जाके इतना सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, तो आई वी कैन आल्सो डू इट. सो इट्स रियली इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी. सो
नहीं, मैं ये कहूंगी प्रीति, इट इज नॉट टफ. द ओनली थिंग वी हैव टू डू इज वी हैव टू स्ट्रेंथन आवर कनेक्शन विद द सोल.
या.
क्योंकि जितनी वो स्ट्रांग होएगी, जितनी उसकी स्ट्रेंथ होएगी, उतने ही हम स्ट्रांग होते जाएंगे.
या.
तो
सो
चॉइसेस फिर इजी हो जाती हैं.
yeah, so, no, great area. So the other question in आप इंडस्ट्री ड्रिवन बाय आजकल की जो इंडस्ट्री है वो ट्रेंड्स कंसिस्टेंट चेंज, आज हम कुछ और देख रहे हैं, tomorrow something coming. Even technology side भी अगर मैं देख रही हूँ तो it's like a lot of changes, especially on also in your business side. You have built something that has lasted decades, right? 25 years. How do you stay anchored in purpose when the world is pushing you to chase what is new? So how your business, like you stick with this, okay, this is I need to, this is the my way. So that will guide a lot of people, because every day is new things coming, especially with these days our mind get distract. I will say, like, even my side, like, we this is the AI new tool, this is new things coming, this is new things coming. So how you stay with the, you're anchored with purpose, like, what you decided you're gonna do it, and it is 25 years long period to stay in that career. So how you stay with that, like, even when things are new things is coming, but you stay that, okay, this is my purpose.
Preeti, there is a famous quote that the only thing that is constant in this world is change.
Yeah.
Change is always going to be there. If change is going to be there, we also have to change. I started my agency at the time the computers were just at few places.
Mm-hmm.
As like computers came to every place, we changed along with that. Then from traditional media, digital media came, websites came, we moved into that. So whatever latest technologies kept coming on, we kept on moving. We have to change. We have to change with the trends. And secondly, there's no harm in looking at the new things that are coming up. I don't know whether I did the right thing or the wrong thing. Sometimes I lost my focus also.
Yes.
एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी चल रही है और जैसे अराउंड 2000 मार्केट भी थोड़ी ऐसी थी और डीएलएफ में हमारा ऑफिस था, थोड़ा बिजनेस शायद ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं होगा, तो हमने टीम ने डिसाइड किया चलो एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं.
Mm-hmm.
वी हैड नो एक्सपीरियंस इन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एग्जीबिशंस, हम औरों क्लाइंट्स की भी नहीं करते थे. पर
Mm-hmm.
मैंने कहा ना पंजाबी हैं, पंगे लेने दी आदत सानू हैगी है. We decided to hold an exhibition.
Mm-hmm.
Within 3 months in Gurgaon in DLF, I organized an exhibition.
Wow.
बहुत अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइज हुई, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज भी आई, मारुति, टोयोटा, बिरला सन लाइफ एंड मेनी अदर गुड कंपनीज वर देयर. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला. हाँ, पर देयर वाज नॉट गुड फुटफॉल, तो
Mm-hmm.
दैट वाज फेलियर ऑन दैट पार्ट. उसके बाद मैंने दोबारा भी करी, बट देन आई मूव्ड अवे फ्रॉम इट. फिर
Mm-hmm.
कुछ और भी चीजें नजर आई. शायद मैं नहीं कहती वो मेरी गलतियां थी, हमें नहीं, हमें फोकस रहना चाहिए. आई कांट गाइड एनीबॉडी ऑन दैट. मैंने कभी एक बार इमेज स्टॉक एजेंसी करने का भी शुरू करा, वेयर हैड टू बेयर लॉसेस.
Oh, yeah.
और देन अगेन बैक टू द पेविलियन कि जो चीज नहीं अलाइन करी, फिर ये नहीं कि उसके पीछे चलते रहे, हम वापस आके अपनी रूट्स को तो हमने कभी नहीं छोड़ा,
Mm-hmm.
उसमें नया नया करते रहे. पर जो चीजें हमने छोड़ी भी है ना, आई केप्ट ऑन लर्निंग फ्रॉम माई मिस्टेक्स.
Wow.
अगर हमने एग्जीबिशन होल्ड करी, I learned a lot from that. That like gave me a complete different perspective of myself only. That I can do something big.
Mm-hmm.
स्टॉक एजेंसी खोली तो वहाँ अपनी वीकनेसेस पता लगी कि मेरी प्लानिंग में प्रॉब्लम थी, मेरी वहाँ प्रॉब्लम थी. आई शुड हैव थॉट ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो. सो आई ट्राई टू लर्न फ्रॉम माई मिस्टेक्स, बट द ओनली थिंग इज वट एवर केम, आई जस्ट kept going, kept going. I never stopped.
No.
So you have to keep on changing yourself. You have to keep growing, moving, growing. That is life.
Yeah. No, I completely agree, and I think this is that very I think important point where you said, like, हम चीजें स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम उसमें अगर फेलियर हो रहा है तो उसको स्टक नहीं, उसको होल्ड करके नहीं बैठे हुए. that's again coming with aligned with your soul, because okay, this is mistake happen, I accept that one, because acceptance is the first step to for growth, right? So you
Absolutely.
accept that one, and then you start, okay, this is not work for me, let me go the next. But that curse, it is not everyone get it, right? समटाइम हम उस चीज़ के साथ इमोशनली अटैच हो जाते हैं चीज़ों के साथ, जब हम न्यू करते हैं कि आई नीड टू डू, आई वांट टू डू दैट वन एंड आई नीड टू स्टिक. सो आई थिंक दैट्स ऑसम, लाइक द वेरी ब्यूटीफुली डिस्क्राइब कि हमें चीज़ों के साथ स्टक नहीं होना है. स्टार्ट करा है, नहीं बन रहा है, तो लेट्स ओके, दिस इज कम बैक टू द फोकस.
दोज आर टफ डिसीजंस, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, क्योंकि आपने इतना टाइम इन्वेस्ट किया होता है, इतनी एनर्जी, मनी, सब कुछ किया होता है।
हम्म.
फिर बहुत बार लोगों का भी होता है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे,
या
पर नहीं, जो नहीं करना वो नहीं करना, फिर वी हैव टू मूव ऑन। ये डिसीजन भी लेने पड़ते हैं लाइफ में।
No, that's awesome point. And Neerja ji, these days, especially on your area, creative professional side, people, burn out, because of changes, consistent changes. What daily rituals or mindset keep you creativity following, without any overwhelming or your energy, or you still go with that, right? Okay, कौन से आप डेली आपका रिचुअल है, या माइंडसेट कैसे अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करते हो, पीपल गेट इजीली बर्न आउट, एंड especially I can relate with my past when I was working in the tech, like sometime after coming back to the office, I, okay, I'm done with this, we got that. But like as a 25 years with the stick with the business, that's like what ritual you daily do that, and or mindset keep your creativity flowing, like without overwhelming your energy.
एक ही चीज है वो, और मैं कहूंगी कि वो हर किसी को करनी चाहिए। हर कोई उसके बारे में जानता भी है, सुनता भी है, शायद दिन में 10 बार सुनता होगा।
Mm-hmm.
फिर भी मैं हैरान होती हूँ दैट व्हाई पीपल डोंट डू दैट। इट इज मेडिटेशन।
Wow, that's complete.
This is what has kept me going forward. It is something which keeps you positive. I'm thankful to my parents, especially one of my sisters who always insisted. So I started meditation in my maybe 25 years, maybe 25 or that age.
Mm-hmm.
And then my spiritual mentor, he always like suggested that one should go for it, ध्यान करना चाहिए।
Mm-hmm.
उस टाइम पे हमने बहस नहीं करी, वी जस्ट फॉलोड इट।
Uh,
इट इज जस्ट अ प्रोसेस, लाइक चाहे ध्यान लगे या ना लगे, चलो जी बैठना है मेडिटेशन में।
mm-hmm.
तब ये भी पर्पस था कि मेडिटेशन इज फॉर कनेक्टिंग विद स्पिरिचुअलिटी, विद योर इनर सेल्फ। एज ए ड्यूटी आई मेड इट माई, यू कैन से रिचुअल, एज ए और ए ड्यूटी आई ब्रॉट इट इन माई लाइफ।
Mm-hmm.
Now, when I am a wisdom leadership coach, when I'm training leaders, when I studied neuroscience,
Mm-hmm.
uh, a lot of study these days is being carried out on meditation. And just imagine, it is very recent, maybe 20 years old studies or 15 years old, 10 years. And these studies are being carried out on Asians.
Mm-hmm.
एशियन सेजेस पे, मंक्स पे, बुद्धिस्ट पे, और उसमें स्टडी किया जा रहा है कि मेडिटेशन से हमारा ब्रेन कैसे चेंज हो जाता है।
Mm-hmm.
दिस इज समथिंग आई एम रियली लविंग दिस डेज, कि
Mm-hmm.
हमारा ब्रेन मेडिटेशन करने से, इवन फ्रॉम 21 डेज ऑफ मेडिटेशन, योर ब्रेन स्टार्ट्स चेंजिंग। आवर ब्रेन इज न्यूरोप्लास्टिक, इसमें चेंजेस होती रहती हैं। और एवरी एक्शन, वट एवर यू डू, वट एवर यू थिंक, ब्रेन कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग। और
Mm-hmm.
जब हम मेडिटेशन करते हैं, इससे हमारे पॉजिटिव सर्किट्स स्ट्रांग होते हैं, हमारा ग्रे एरिया चेंज हो जाता है, हमारा प्री फ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स विच इज फॉर डिसीजन मेकिंग,
Mm-hmm.
इट गेट्स स्ट्रांगर। एमिगडाला विच इज द इमोशनल सेंटर, that gets calm, that gets controlled. It even reduces in size.
Oh,
So there are a lot many benefits of it. Thousands and thousands. I can't. I don't know, but still I know so many, and we can't even talk about that for 2 hours.
yeah.
So this is my only thing that one should bring it in life. It changes you. It transforms you, and it is need of the day, especially in today's volatile, dynamic world.
Yeah, I completely agree. I was like just reading from one Stanford research. Uh, in before COVID 2020 till 2025, every eight of one person was thinking about her meditation. But last few five after COVID, things are get changed, right? A lot of changes happen even in people's life, personal, professional, everything got changed, right? Now these days they are saying every third person looking for meditations, breathing, people's going on that. And I think, as you mentioned, that meditation is like, the thing which is keep us going, like, we pause. Meditation meaning we pause ourselves. And
Yes, we pause ourselves, we strengthen our brain, even our brain waves.
mhm,
They keep on changing as we meditate.
yeah, so
My only request to all the people who are listening to the podcast also is do bring it in your life, maybe for 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
yeah, I completely
Okay.
agree. I think that's a like, demand, and I will say that this is a lot of time now. We went to doctors in here, US also. Now they start recommending, oh, you need to start doing meditation.
Yes.
They don't use the word sometime meditation. They just say that, like, okay, sit with you and yourself for a few minutes, just calm down, pause. Simple word they usually say that, like, कि कुछ भी कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा टाइम के लिए पॉज करो अपने आप से। मैं कभी कभी ये बात करती हूँ कि हम हमारी एक भाग लगी रहती है कि उसके साथ मुझे बात करनी है, उसके साथ जाना है, लेकिन हम सबके साथ बात करने हैं, लेकिन खुद के साथ बैठ के हमें बात करना नहीं आता। तो मेडिटेशन
नहीं
इज
आता।
meditation is like खुद के साथ, and you जैसे this podcast is mostly healer coaches also, listen. And I'm also coach, and what I see that in these days in digital world, the digital world tell us, like, you need to post every day, follow the Instagram algorithm, whatever the blended timeless trust modern is, how you mix together now, because you came from 25 year where there is no digital, now is digital, right? Also, like, every day is changes, you mix them beautifully, because that's keep you till here 25 years, right? So the what do you suggest now these days, what is important to for us to ignore the noise? Because uh, if you go on any social media, people, when we lot of advertisement coming, okay, you need to do this one, you need to do this everyday post, follow this Instagram algorithm, then Facebook. So how we just important, how when is important us to ignore the noise, and when we start with the trust, like, okay, we need to more giving the value. Simple word I will say that, like, our intention, what should be there, like, you saw this whole both things with the digital and the old. So we sometimes get confused, like, I myself also gotten confused, like, okay, post daily, then I think, okay, I will post daily, but like how much time I need to do that, right? So you blend together, right? So आप इसके बारे में, थोड़ा
I'll
सा।
tell you. I'll tell you from my personal experience. These days, I'm also very active on social media. But before COVID,
Mhm,
I never was there on Facebook or I was there. My pages were there, पर मेरी फोटो शायद कभी नहीं आती होगी।
mhm,
लगता नहीं था कभी हमें डालनी है। आजकल शायद मैं काफ़ी दिखती हूँ।
mhm,
रीज़न बीइंग नाउ आई एम अ विज़डम लीडरशिप कोच एंड मेरी अपनी उसकी ब्रांडिंग भी होती है और
mhm,
मैं एक्टिव भी हूँ और फिर कुछ ना कुछ चलता है। बट आई हैव लाइक हाँ, पोस्ट करना होता है, पर ये नहीं कि हर रोज़ करना है। कहीं भी नहीं भी है तो आई डोंट गिव टू मच स्ट्रेस अपॉन इट, नहीं है तो नहीं है।
Mm-hmm.
इंटेंशनली अगर रेडी है तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज़ कोई मैंने उसको नहीं। हाँ, मेरा स्टाफ, मेरी टीम है डिजिटल जो हैंडल करती है, मैडम आप अपनी उससे ब्रेक कर गए।
Mm-hmm.
मैंने कहा नहीं, देयर इज़ सो मच टू डू, आई कैन डू एज़ मच एज़ पॉसिबल बिकॉज़ आई हैव टू रन माय एड एजेंसी आल्सो, एंड
Yeah.
देन एज़ ए विज़डम लीडरशिप कोच आई हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट साइड आल्सो। Secondly, I have got a very beautiful mantra in my life that I learned from my spiritual mentor. It is switch on, switch off.
Oh, wow. I think that's awesome. We need to learn, especially like, coaches
Because,
need there.
yeah, there is so much on social media, so many coaches and all other things, and even so many new things coming up. Though I am there on social media so much, but frankly, I don't know whether it is right or wrong. But I don't go to other people's reels, etc. a lot. I don't spend too much hour on social media. Maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I forcefully bring myself back from that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't make me myself a part of that noise. I
Okay.
just switch off that.
I think that's a
तो टाइम कितना वेस्ट होता है रील्स पे,
mm-hmm.
इधर देखते जाओ, फिर ये न्यूज़, अच्छा उसने ये कर दिया। हर किसी को दूसरा बंदा बहुत सक्सेसफुल लगता है, फिर हमें भी लगता है चलो हम भी यही करें।
Yeah.
तो इसलिए मैंने उसको देखना बहुत कम कर दिया, नेग्लिजिबल कर दिया है।
Okay.
दूसरी चीज़, मैंने नेगेटिव न्यूज़ को अपनी लाइफ से निकाला है बहुत।
Hmm.
टीवी देखना, न्यूज़पेपर देखना, हम सुबह ही सबसे पहले देखते हैं। इट इज़ स्ट्रेट वे इफेक्टिंग आवर ब्रेन।
Wow.
कोई भी नेगेटिव न्यूज़ हमने देखी,
Mm-hmm.
हमने डिबेट्स में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं भी किया, हमने टीवी पे देखी। वो तो ऐसे प्रोग्राम बने हुए हैं कि लोगों को इंटरेस्ट आए, और वो जब बोलते हैं हमें भी गुस्सा आता है।
Mm-hmm.
द मोमेंट वी हैव any negative thought in us, our brain releases cortisol,
Yeah.
और हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ पे असर आना शुरू होता है।
Completely
जितना
agree.
हम ज़्यादा करेंगे, वो हमें इम्पैक्ट करेगा। तो
Mm-hmm.
स्विच ऑन, स्विच ऑफ, समथिंग इज़ नॉट टू बी डन, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है, लीव इट असाइड।
Yeah. आपने जो भी बोला completely I can शिवानी जी हैं जो uh, that from
सिस्टर शिवानी फ्रॉम
so she also
दिल से निकल गया दिमाग से नाम।
yeah, she mentioned so many times same thing like कि negative हम न्यूज़पेपर हमारी एक टेंडेंसी बन गई है कि उठते हैं तो सीधा फोन देखना शुरू कर लेते हैं. I think that's when you say switch on and off. That is also I will say that that is you are strong enough to hold that emotion because this is all addictions and that trigger our like dopamine in our body that hormones and all that. But if you are emotionally you know that how to control your emotion, you can switch on and off. And I think this is the things we as a coach and as a healer, I think as the professional we also need to learn because we carry so much carry on with the what is social media going on, what is they are saying like you need to post 2 days 3 days per day or 4 per day, but you are just consistently 24 hours वहीं पे आपका दिमाग चलता रहता है. तो that's I think awesome point you said like but uh, one other thing
बहुत ज़रूरी है, लाइफ में बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम वापस आएँ, छोड़ दो। अननेसेसरी हर चीज़ में घुसने की ज़रूरत नहीं है।
yes I agree with that. And also, Nijaji, आप wisdom leadership and you coaches leaders on wisdom and emotional intelligence. What is one inner, I will say, wound or blind spot you commonly see in successful people that quietly limits their next levels? Especially with the professional leaders, like what is the one thing you commonly see that almost like most people's have that one? especially on leaders.
I'll tell you a story here. Like, this was also the beginning of my wisdom leadership and happiness coach journey.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not only a wisdom leadership coach, wisdom leadership plus happiness coach.
Wow.
I was in a client meeting with the vice president of a company.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, the client team was also there, and some strategy was being discussed. And
Mm-hmm.
during the meeting, I observed that the that vice president, he was behaving very badly with his team also. Hmm. But after the meeting, when the team had left, over a cup of coffee, I just asked him, "So, how's life going?" And imagine, he was on the verge of his tears, and he started sharing with me some of his personal problems he was going through.
Wow.
I was literally shocked that such a senior person who is leading a team of around 30-35 people in a multinational company, but that person is not emotionally equipped to navigate his own personal issues. I tried to share with him some tools which
Mm-hmm.
I follow in my life during difficult circumstances. And he listened to that, and seemed a relieved person when I left the room. But after that incident, I was just wondering that so many senior people, like, there's no happiness, and people don't know how to handle their small problems. Then I entered into this line.
Mm-hmm.
The main problem people are facing is they are not able to handle their emotions.
Yeah, I completely agree.
I will come here, like, why emotional intelligence is important.
Mm-hmm.
These days in US and other countries, all Western countries, emotional intelligence is very important at leadership level.
Yes.
Why emotions? Because we people are taught not to bother about our emotions. इमोशंस को दबाओ, हमें शुरू से ये सिखाया जाता है ना।
Yeah. Adjust karo. Simple.
एडजस्ट करो, इमोशंस को दबाओ, दिखानी नहीं है।
Yes.
अपनी नहीं दिखेंगी तो हम किसी की भी नहीं देखेंगे।
Yes. I think that's a.
आई विल टेल यू व्हाई द इमोशंस आर इम्पोर्टेंट। आप
Mm-hmm.
मुझे प्रीति ये बताओ कि अप्रॉक्सिमेटली हाउ मेनी थॉट्स वी हैव इन अ डे?
I think more than 5,000, I will say that. More than 5,000.
अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 60,000।
Wow.
60,000 thoughts we have in a day. These thoughts are positive or negative. And most of the times these are negative because we are programmed to think negative.
Yeah.
This is also in our brain. So we can't blame that why we are programmed that way. Now, every thought we have, it
Mm-hmm.
leads to emotion.
Yes.
That emotion is translated into action.
Yeah.
Now, how these emotions are affecting us. Suppose, whenever we think of something negative, like कोई बहुत नियर एंड डियर वन कोई जा रहा है, हम सोचते हैं हाय इसका एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए,
Wow.
ठीक है, या मेरा बिजनेस में नुकसान ना हो जाए,
Mm-hmm.
या बेटे का हाय उसकी अच्छे स्कूल में होगी कि नहीं, अगर नहीं हुई तो,
Yeah.
ऐसी थॉट्स ही आती रहती है ना। एंड देयर इज अ कॉन्टिन्यूअस फ्लो।
Yeah.
ईच एंड एवरी टाइम वी हैव दिस थॉट, our emotional center gets activated. It takes us as a threat, and it releases cortisol. And slowly the cortisol level starts increasing, which is extremely detrimental to our health.
Mm-hmm.
So we should be first controlling our thoughts. We have to change the direction of the thoughts. Now, suppose Right now, you think that you are going to get an award on the stage. Just think
Mm-hmm.
what you felt.
Happy,
Happiness,
excited also. Some
excited also. Within
also.
seconds. See, what has this happened? Within seconds only.
Yeah, yeah.
Reason being, the moment you think positive, like you have got some award,
Mm-hmm.
your brain, it takes it as an award, like you have received an award and it releases dopamine,
Yeah.
maybe serotonin also. That gives you a good feeling that has given you happiness. So this is something we have to understand in our life.
Mm-hmm.
That our happiness, our emotions, they are dominated by our thoughts. Though we are programmed to think negative, but we can always change the direction of our thoughts. That is in our hands.
Mm-hmm.
Anything positive happens in our life, we have to repeat it again and again so that our brain takes that.
Mm-hmm.
And now, why emotions? Thoughts are leading to emotions. As a leader, whatever your emotions, they are going to impact your team also.
Yeah, definitely.
Because if
Definitely.
your mood is not good, they will be effective. This is again coming from our limbic system, from our brain.
Mm-hmm.
So the mood of leader, that is going to determine the mood of the teams. So that's why every leader has to be conscious of their emotions. When they are conscious of their emotions, like what is going within me, one can change that. One should be aware of self. After that, what is emotional intelligence? First, you be aware of yourself, your emotions. Then you be aware of the emotions of your team.
Yeah.
And from here, your all leadership competencies will start coming. Your decision making will improve, your conflict management will improve, your time management, all these things will start coming in the place. That's why it is so important to bring emotional intelligence in life. And
Mm-hmm.
it is a skill that can be learned.
No, I completely agree with that. Emotion, I think, when we start, especially in, I can just say, give the example. When I start my career, I was very emotional for everything. And there was one of my VP always say that, if in meeting I easily get angry because something happened, and before this transformation happened, like I got angry, and he was literally my VP sometime, like, Preeti, hold on, don't get angry, I'm looking at your face, calm down, calm down. He was like just stopping me to react from anything. But I think that's slowly I learned that one, part of their leadership, like courses, they have some training, whereas they mention, like, do not attach with the result, do not attach with the what is happening. You just need to be take the conscious decision. And the sometime things happen in company, layoff happen, and I was part of to holding all this stuff. I was like, okay, my friends is going in, and that's I had name there. I read their name, but I got so emotional that time. And then HR came to and say, like, no, that's your job. You cannot tell anything,
Yes.
but that's. I think that these days emotional intelligence, I think with the leadership role, it's very important. And
This need of the day, yeah.
I think you beautifully describe, like, why people definitely understand that why it is required, for that. And one, as you talk about for the neuroscience of positivity, but when someone is in difficult, season or, time, just a smile thought sometime हम लेके नहीं आ पाते जब हमारे डिफिकल्ट टाइम होते हैं. सो उस टाइम पे हाउ डू यू बैलेंस, अब कैसे उस थॉट्स को ले सकते हो, क्योंकि अगर आप स्माइल भी कर रहे हो, कभी हम ऑफिस में और लीडरशिप रोल में दिमाग में कुछ और चल रहा था, लेकिन फिर भी हमें स्माइल देनी पड़ती है. तो वो कैसे, हाउ डू यू प्रैक्टिस दैट पॉजिटिव, लाइक ओके द सिचुएशन कम, you how to handle in the quick time period when you are especially in leadership role. So what practice you suggest, like usually tell your leaders, like okay, this is situation how you need to handle. There is not always beautiful, like it's a difficult time, like how person hold their leader, hold their emotions.
यहाँ पे देखो 2 चीज़ें हैं, 2 सिचुएशंस हैं। एक तो होती है थोड़ी-सी लाइटर सिचुएशंस,
Mm-hmm.
वेयर अ स्माइल कैन वर्क।
Mm-hmm.
थोड़ी-सी है, चलो टेंशन है थोड़ा-सा, वहाँ पे तो कर सकती है। बिकॉज़ इवन फेक स्माइल कैन मेक अस हैप्पी।
Yeah.
बट as you told that when there is something very crucial, maybe
Mhm.
even in the case of when your friend was being laid off,
Yeah.
you can't forcefully bring a smile on your face.
Yeah, that's I think
Then
that is right. It's very
then
tough.
there is very important mantra in life, which I have made a part of my life, which our spiritual mentor has literally instilled in us.
Mm-hmm.
It is acceptance in life.
Yeah.
We have to bring acceptance. पहाड़ अगर टूटा नहीं है, तो हम जितनी मर्ज़ी कोशिश करें उसको बचाने की, वी कैन ट्राई दैट। कर्मा इज़ इन आवर हैंड्स, वी कैन ट्राई। हम कोशिश करें, ठीक करने की कर सकते हैं। पर अगर टूट ही गया, नाउ इट इज़ नॉट इन आवर हैंड्स।
Mm-hmm.
कर सकते थे, कर लिया। अब गीता में भी तो कृष्ण जी ने कहा है ना, यू कैन डू योर कर्मस बट द रिजल्ट्स आर इन माय हैंड्स।
Yeah.
सुपर पावर्स हैं। तो कोई चीज़ जब हमारे बस में नहीं, कुछ हो गया है, तो वी हैव टू कम इन द एक्सेप्टेंस मोड।
Mm-hmm.
कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गई है, अब आपकी फ्रेंड अगर गई है, यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट। हो गया है उसके साथ,
Yeah.
और कल आपके साथ भी हो सकता है। आपको भी एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, उसको भी करना पड़ेगा। इसके अलावा कोई और रास्ता है ही नहीं। और अगर हम इमीडिएटली एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, विल डू आफ्टर 5 डेज, 10 डेज, आफ्टर 1 मंथ। जब तक हमने अपने अंदर इतना कॉर्टिसोल भी बढ़ा लिया, सेहत भी खराब कर ली, सब कुछ खराब कर लिया, देन व्हाई नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट इन द फर्स्ट फेज ओनली।
Mm-hmm.
सो इट इज नीड
Mm-hmm.
एक्सेप्टेंस।
I think that's a mantra, right? Like
हमारे तो जो हम कहते हैं, तेरी मौज तू ही जान,
yeah.
परमात्मा जो तुम्हारी मर्जी मुझे मंजूर है। जैसे गुरु नानक देव जी ने कहा था,
Mm-hmm.
तेरा भाना मीठा लागे।
Yeah.
So that is the only way we can pass through that situation. And this comes in the life again and again, again and again, and every time, whether it is on a positive situation or in a negative situation. तेरी मौज तू ही जान।
Completely agree. Or I just like, after I talked to you last time, I actually watched your TEDx talk where it was like how a smile can rewire your brain. It's a powerful mantra, I will say that. Um, some people feel on that situation, as you already give the answer, but like if there is a something science backed practice people can do, because what happen when we go in our life, right? Sometimes we feel the anxious or stuck somewhere, whereas we don't feel that time, like even not laugh. Leadership, we need to smile, but in regular life people get stuck there. And anything you just have one practice, they can, acceptance is like emotionally, but there is anything you suggest your in your life implement, your meditation implement, right? But anything else people can get benefit from there. So
देखो,
shift their what energy.
यहाँ पे मैं फिर रिपीट करूंगी, एक्सेप्टेंस इज नॉट द वर्ड टू से लाइक दैट ओनली कि एक्सेप्ट कर लिया। इट इज डेफिनेटली नॉट समथिंग इजी।
Yeah, yeah.
इट इज, इट रिक्वायर्स प्रैक्टिस। पर इसको करके देखो, ठीक है?
Mm,
इट चेंजेस योर ब्रेन। आई टेल यू व्हाई एक्सेप्टेंस। एक्सेप्टेंस इज नॉट समथिंग कि मैंने कह दिया जी कि ये कर लो और इससे ठीक हो जाएगा।
mm-hmm.
देयर इज अ न्यूरोसाइंस बिहाइंड इट।
Yeah.
Suppose there is a major loss in the business.
Mm-hmm.
We have faced it time and again. लॉस हुआ, हो गया, एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, एक आधा दिन दुखी हुए,
Mm-hmm.
इमीडिएटली साथ ही थॉट चलनी शुरू हो जाती है, हो गया ना, अब तो नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, इससे बाहर कैसे निकलना है, पैसा नुकसान हुआ, इसको कहाँ कहाँ से पूरा करना है, वेंडर्स की पेमेंट तो करनी है ना,
Uh,
क्लाइंट से कितना आ सकता है। अब ये क्यों इतना कुछ हुआ? द मोमेंट आई सेड कि हाँ हो गया ना, गलतियां तो अपनी थी, चलो हो गया। द मोमेंट आई से दिस, in my brain, my amygdala, which is the threat center. amygdala तो ऐसा है कि जिसको थोड़ी सी टेंशन दो, it immediately gets active और इट प्रिपेयर्स योर बॉडी टू फाइट, लाइक कहते हैं ना, फाइट फ्लाइट फ्रीज। इसका पूरा है प्रोसेस, मेरे पास अभी टाइम नहीं है तो मैंने तो समझाती। तो जैसे ही मैंने कहती है हाँ नुकसान हो गया, तो एमिग्डाला जो बहुत एक्टिव होता है, मुझे स्ट्रेस में लाता है, वो तो थोड़ा रेस्ट पे आ गया।
yes.
अगर वो इमीडिएटली एक्टिव हो जाता तो आई वुड हैव बीन इन पैनिक अटैक्स, या मैं टेंशन में आती, या अब क्या करूंगी, हो इतना नुकसान हो गया, कैसे देंगे पेमेंट, ये वो। टेंशन, जितना टेंशन बढ़ेगी उतना कॉर्टिसोल बढ़ेगा। द कॉर्टिसोल एंड decreases the immunity. In the meantime, in the brain it makes changes. It starts impacting your prefrontal cortex. कभी सो देखा होगा ना, कभी मीटिंग में बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन होगी तो हम कहते हैं ना, मेरा दिमाग ही नहीं चला।
Yeah. वो
What
thought.
happens at that time?
Yeah.
Because that amygdala,
Emitter. Yeah.
it really, like literally freezes your prefrontal cortex, the front part of the brain.
Yeah. I
Now,
completely.
when I said that हो गया नुकसान ना, next step,
Mm-hmm.
that emotional alarm system is calm, prefrontal cortex is active, which is saying next step, how to come out of it.
Yeah.
यही चीज मैं अगर 10 दिन बाद करती तो कितना टाइम वाइज, मेंटली भी, और सब तरफ से नुकसान कितना हुआ होता। तो दिस इज हाउ एक्सेप्टेंस प्लेज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर बॉडी सिस्टम।
Yeah, I think you described very beautifully about for acceptance. I think uh, that is the one point whereas we need to, as soon as things happen, if we accept even healing, when we, I heard about a lot of healing coaches, like they say like the first step, the acceptance, accept whatever is happening.
या
You cannot do healing even if you don't accept, because
तब
acknowledgement
तक लड़ाई चलती रहेगी ना अंदर।
yeah, acknowledgement is the important part, like acknowledge whatever is happening right. The Murphy laws way say that the thing's gonna happen, it's happen right, you cannot
या
change. So one nature as a woman, I will say that you have a built extraordinary career, like anyone on the meaningful path. You may have had moments where you potential was not fully recognized, or understood. Was there any challenge to face that made you question yourself? Like we got especially business, especially in jobs, like women's, we feel that one, and we are very, I will say that women's are easily get emotional, right? That's a part for our motherhood, like how we are built. Is there any moment, and how after this thing happen, how you reclaim yourself? How can whatever is happened now, even you don't get recognized or understood, how you actually reclaim your inner strength and clarity, and come up with that, okay, this has happened now. I don't get fully recognized, but just think about for the jobs, right? People's women's who have in jobs, or even household women's, जब वो काम घर पे करती हैं तो कभी कभी उनको रिकॉग्नाइजेशन मिलती ही नहीं है. तो how you deal with that situation, what do you suggest,
देखो यहाँ मैं यही कहूंगी कि देखो प्रॉब्लम तो इस चीज की है, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, क्योंकि बहुत सारे इश्यूज आते हैं, लेडी आगे बढ़ती है तो जेलसी भी बहुत आती हैं, फिर लोगों को लगता है कि दूर क्या जाना, गाड़ी चला रहे हो रोड पे तो वहां पे लोग कमेंट देके जाते हैं कि इसको गाड़ी नहीं चलानी आती होगी,
yes, yes,
चाहे
women.
खुद का आगे जाके एक्सीडेंट हो जाए। तो,
That's true.
तो इसका देखो, जो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में किया है मैं वही कह सकती हूँ, आई कांट गाइड अदर्स दैट वे। अपने आप को इंटरनली स्ट्रांग करते जाओ, रास्ते खुलते जाएंगे।
Mm-hmm.
सोल स्ट्रेंथ, जो मैं विजडम लीडरशिप कहती हूँ ना, उसका एक बहुत क्रूशियल एस्पेक्ट है सोल स्ट्रेंथ।
Mm-hmm.
हमारी अंदर की एनर्जी जैसे स्ट्रांग होती जाएगी, हमारे रास्ते अपने आप खुलते जाएंगे।
Mm-hmm.
हम सिस्टम से नहीं लड़ सकते,
Mm-hmm.
और अपनी अच्छी इंटेंशन से चलते जाओ, रास्ते मिल जाते हैं।
That's
मैं यही कहूंगी, मुझे मतलब मैं इस पे बहुत ज्यादा नहीं कह सकती, क्योंकि कुछ हमारे सिस्टम के इश्यूज हैं, उसको हम बदल नहीं सकते, लोगों को हम बदल नहीं सकते, तो हम अपने आप को ही स्ट्रांग करते हुए उसी सिस्टम में भी आगे निकल सकते हैं।
true.
जरूरी नहीं होता हमें रिवोल्ट करना है, या हमें बागी होना है, या हमें मेरे हक साडे हक इत्थे रख वही कह के ही मिलेगा।
Yeah, I
हमें
agree.
सिस्टम में भी रहना है, हमें सबके साथ भी चलना है, तो स्ट्रेंथ कहाँ से आएगी? स्ट्रेंथ तो अंदर से आएगी और कहीं से नहीं आ सकती। फॉर दैट वी हैव टू बी स्पिरिचुअली स्ट्रांग ऑल्सो, इंटरनली स्ट्रांग ऑल्सो। जब इंटरनली स्ट्रांग होते हैं, अपने आप में सेल्फ बिलीफ बढ़ता है,
Yes.
एंड मेडिटेशन प्लेज अ लॉट ऑफ रोल इन दैट।
I think that's a beautifully you describe के जब हम खुद को रिकॉग्नाइज करना शुरू करते हैं ना, तो अब आउटसाइड इज ऑटोमेटिकली उससे फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता, बिकॉज
फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बिल्कुल यू सेड द राइट वे, फर्क नहीं पड़ता,
यू
अपने
रिकॉग्नाइज.
रास्ते चले जाओ। अब देखो कांटों वाली सड़क होती है तो हम बच बच के निकल जाते हैं,
या
ये थोड़ी है कि हम कांटे तोड़ने बैठ जाते हैं, कांटे तोड़ेंगे तो हमारे हाथ में और चुभेंगे।
या
अपना बच के निकलते रहो, हम निकल ही जाएंगे।
या कंप्लीटली एग्री. या सो नीरजा जी, आई थिंक आपके साथ बात करके तो टाइम ऐसे निकल रहा है, पता ही नहीं चल रहा है, लेकिन आई कैन टॉक टू आवर्स, बट before we last, I just want to understand, because you are giving a lot of I think um, role model for women, एक छोटे सिटी से आके अपने आप को कैसे ग्रो करना है, स्टेबल कैसे करा. You went through a lot in life, I think. That's always everyone want to learn about, right? तो अभी आप जिस स्टेज पे, जहाँ तक आप जितनी सक्सेस में हो, आप अभी आपकी फ्यूचर विजन क्या है? एंड आफ्टर 25 years of success, what do you think, what is next for you, and what is next for Art Hill? And also, I know you're working on book, and can you share about for your vision also with the book, what readers can expect from the new books, because that will be awesome. We everyone definitely we will wait for that, because especially I think all the women's need to want to see that what is coming next. So if you can let us know.
इमीडिएटली जो नेक्स्ट आ रही है वो तो मेरी बुक आ रही है,
Mm-hmm.
इट इज बाय द नेम द हैप्पीनेस कोड।
Wow.
आई थिंक इट शुड बी आउट बाय द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी, by or by mid Jan.
Mm-hmm.
And this book is again about my life story, and from childhood लाइक हम लोग बड़ी फैमिली थी, वी वर 6 ब्रदर सिस्टर्स। तो बचपन में क्या कुछ हमने सीखा, तो मैंने हर मोमेंट को बचपन के इस तरह से डिपिक्ट किया कि हाउ एवरी मोमेंट, हाउ आर थिंकिंग, हाउ आर पेरेंट्स अपब्रिंगिंग, whatever they teach us, how it changes our brain. It is
Mm.
all from neuroscience perspective. तो इससे ये डायरेक्शन मिलती है कि हम जो भी कर रहे हैं आज, जो भी हैं, वो है कि जो हमने आज तक किया है उससे हमारा ब्रेन डेवलप हुआ है। तो उसमें दो आगे के रास्ते मिलते हैं कि एक तो अगर हमें अपना आगे इम्प्रूव करना है तो हम अपने ब्रेन को कैसे चेंज करना शुरू करें, बिकॉज दैट इज इन आवर हैंड्स,
Mm-hmm.
वी कैन डू दैट। और हम अपनी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के लिए कितना कर सकते हैं।
Wow, that's, I think, a very beautiful
तो
one.
मैं जो कहती हूँ, आज मैं जो हूँ अपने पेरेंट्स के कारण हूँ, जो उन्होंने बचपन में नींव डाली है। बार बार आज भी जब देखती हूँ, कुछ भी करती हूँ ना, तो पहला थैंक्स उन्हीं को निकलता है। तो वो देख के लगा, तो क्यों, पेरेंट्स के हाथ में बहुत कुछ है। वो जो रोल मॉडल्स बन सकते हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए, क्योंकि
Yeah,
जो वो कर रहे हैं बच्चे का ब्रेन उनको देख देख के डेवलप हो रहा है।
definitely.
तो ये तो है मेरी बुक, बस आ जाएगी। आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी एक्साइटेड। और अच्छी अच्छी स्टोरी, सब स्टोरी बेस्ड। और दूसरी चीज आपने पूछा, आर्ट हिल इम्प्रिंट्स। आर्ट हिल इम्प्रिंट्स हमारी एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसी, मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि ये बहुत इसको आगे लेके जाना है। ये चल रही है अपनी स्पीड पे। हमारी छोटी सी टीम है, वी आर वर्किंग फॉर गुड क्लाइंट्स, और उस पे चल रहे हैं। मेरा ज्यादा ध्यान अब एक और भी है, लाइक आई हैव बिकम ए विजडम लीडरशिप एंड हैप्पीनेस कोच।
Wow.
Soon I am going to launch my courses on wisdom leadership,
Oh, wow.
because I feel that is need of the day.
Mhm.
And my vision is that, like as they say, India is going to be a superpower by 2047. Then we need really good leaders, wisdom leaders. My mission is to help at least 1 lakh people to develop as wisdom leaders.
Wow.
If
I
I
think,
can do that.
yeah, and I think one thing I will say that, Jaji, no one else, like, because you had that experience, you went through that experience, like,
Yes.
to carry, and I think no one better than teach you, like, better than you, like, who actually that's experience. Because what happened, we learn theories, we, for someone else's story, someone else's story, but what you went through, that one, you had that experience. When someone is going on that experience or something is going that situation, you can easily tell that because you have a practical.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल, क्योंकि हर चीज़ देखी है, सही मैंने कहा ना, रोलर कोस्टर राइड। और ये हर किसी की होनी है, जिनकी नहीं है उनकी भी होएगी, बिकॉज़ लाइफ इज़ दैट वे।
Yeah.
और एक चीज़ और है कि मैंने लाइफ में ये वर्ड अपने लिए कभी यूज़ नहीं करा कहीं भी, चाहे वो एग्ज़िबिशन हो या कुछ भी हो, कि या और भी इतने पॉइंट्स आते हैं कि फेलियर, क्योंकि फेलियर वर्ड हमने बना लिया है। आई
Mhm.
हैव ऑलवेज़ टेकन दैट एज़ ए स्टेपिंग स्टोन। बच्चा गिरता है, जब चलना सीखता है तो कितनी बार गिरता है, वो हर किसी गिरने को फेलियर कहेगा?
Yeah.
नहीं ना, उसके बाद ही तो दौड़ता है। तो दैट
Mhm.
दैट वे लाइफ गोज़।
Yeah, no, no, I think this is awesome, and we are excited about your book. Like, both actually. I will just definitely leadership because I felt like leadership is not just you're doing business or you're working in company. Even in a home, you manage your housewife,
Yeah,
still your leadership will actually, make your kids' life. How are you gonna define their life? How are you gonna be, make them, how the whatever, how when they grow, right, which help, how they going, what they gonna become tomorrow, you gonna make that one as a parent.
absolutely right you are.
So it's leadership is not, we usually attached with that, like, who's working business or jobs, leadership is not just limit there. Leadership is everywhere. From
Everywhere. First, you
home
have to be
to
personal
office.
leader.
Yeah, yeah. So I think we're very excited, and hopefully we will bring you back and talk about when your book coming. And before we close our this show, it's called Heal, Align, and Thrive, and which that is the journey we are on right now. For someone listening this show and feels out of alignment or disconnected from their purpose, what is the small thing in last you will say that they can do regularly, and step back word themselves, like, okay, something has happened, or another word, say, like, any one mantra, and affirmation, or personally, return your life, something is messy going on, what one small mantra you can give them, and that will be you know very helpful for people. It's a I feel these days everyone needs that mantra, because we stuck every small thing. Our mind is globally, if we see looking for that, news, as you mentioned in earlier, there's a lot of negativity going on, and we start our day, but after 5 minutes we start looking other things around. So what one thing you can suggest this audience which help them to come out from that stuck or the situation, or the stay with their purpose?
One thing that you already have mentioned earlier also. What I call that is SWS. It
Mhm.
is sitting with self. अपने साथ बैठना। जब कभी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम लगे, जब अंधेरा दिखे, सीरियसली कहती हूँ, जब लगे आगे का रास्ता कुछ नहीं मिल रहा, just close your eyes and sit with yourself
Mhm.
and just keep on seeing your breath. सांस आ रहा है, सांस जा रहा है। तो इमीडिएटली विद इन 5 मिनट, 5 मिनट्स भी शायद ज़्यादा है, मैं कहूँगी 3 मिनट में आपको रिजल्ट आना शुरू हो जाएगा।
Mhm.
Most of the 24 hours since morning we are with somebody else, चाहे वो बच्चे हैं, चाहे हस्बैंड है, चाहे ऑफिस है, चाहे और अगर कुछ भी नहीं है, कोई भी नहीं है, तो थॉट्स हैं।
Mhm.
वी आर नेवर विद आवर सेल्फ। सेल्फ क्या है? सेल्फ इज आवर सोल विच इज गिविंग अस एनर्जी। सो SWS इज सिटिंग विद सेल्फ।
Oh.
ऑफिस में 5 मिनट बॉस ने डांटा है, नारा परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं, जस्ट कम एंड सिट विद योर सेल्फ। आपको एक चीज बताऊं प्रीति, मैं आपको भेजूंगी विच यू कैन शेयर विद योर ऑडियंस ऑल्सो। वी हैव गॉट ए channel by the name Budik Bites.
Mhm.
Budik is a corporate person
Mhm.
जो बहुत छोटे छोटे विजडम टिप्स देता है।
Mhm.
तो उसमें भी हम इस चीज को बहुत स्ट्रेस करते हैं, ऑफिस में परेशान हो, क्यों परेशान हो भाई? जस्ट डू SWS, सिट विद योरसेल्फ, सांस लो। उससे क्या है, उसका दूसरा न्यूरोसाइंस क्या कहती है, जब हम सांस लेते हैं ब्रेन में ऑक्सीजन जाती है, हमारा एमिगडाला इट गोज काम,
Mhm.
टेंशन रिलीज होती है,
Yeah.
हमारी ब्रेन वेव्स भी चेंज होती हैं।
So
2 मिनट, 3 मिनट, 5 मिनट, इट विल मेक ए डिफरेंस।
yeah, I think that this is it's a three words, but I think it's for listener, for even for me, is like, this is life mantra, I will say
This
that.
is life mantra, life mantra.
And that's a beautiful SWS. I think this is I first have heard that one.
This
It
is
is.
this is a word I have coined.
Yeah, I know, it's a beautifully, like, it's a showing simple, but it's so meaningful. And if only this mantra people, or we take it, I think our life will be much better, much relaxed.
Much better, much better.
So
It
thank
changes.
you, Nirja ji. Thank you so much for this heartful and powerful conversation. And आपकी जो जर्नी है, wisdom है, you know, बहुत सी चीजें आपने रिमाइंड करी हैं. I think I always say that with the corporate life for 20-25 years, like so many things when you are talking, I can relate myself. Okay, this was happen, or that time if I know that this will, things will be differently. And you also mentioned this your business about 25 years and coming back from the city, and then coming align with these things and stay with this one focus vision, right? And I think you beautifully described, and thank you so much for to coming about that, and also mentioning your two books. And we are definitely waiting for January. I think you, as you mentioned, first is coming in January. That's a very very excited. And thank you so much for guiding us come to this show. And our listener will be very happy to take these mantra in life, and implement their in life. That will be this podcast mostly listen coach, also listener people's, like mental, like they emotionally. Some people, like this in Hindi, like when I talk to there is a lot of question coming on this. And I was thinking to do some live session, but I think you did all that right. So I just need to put that podcast. And thank you so much. I really appreciate coming on that show. So
Rather, Priti, my thanks to you for inviting me to your podcast show. It's a privilege coming here. And I loved all the discussions because we both align in our field also.
yeah, that's definitely it was a very pleasure to talk to you, Nisha ji. Thank you so much. And
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. And do share it in your, like, with the students, with the younger generations, because they need it a lot.
yeah, I think that's as I mentioned, like that Stanford study showing that every third person is these days searching for these words, meditations, sit, breathing exercise, what you mentioned, acceptance. These days people actually, I'm some it's because situation is going a little tough, but I think somewhere I feel so happy, like people start thinking what actually we want to live, what is our purpose.
Purpose.
Coming
Purpose is
back on that, I think hodgepodge is now decided after COVID. I think things get changed now, people thinking, like actually what is purpose of our life. So this is beautiful. And thank you so much, Nisha ji. Thank you so much for
thank you. Thank you, Priti.
thank you. And thank you for something spending this time with us. And remember, you don't need to have the whole life figured out. You just need one aligned step and one moment of awareness, one act of courage. That is enough to begin with healing. And if today's episode resonates with you, please share it someone who needs this message. And let us know your biggest takeaway from this show. And you can connect Miss Nirja Mahajan in Instagram, and we will share that below link for her Instagram, LinkedIn, and also for her agency link. And very very excited when she launched their book. We will definitely share her book link here so you can get that and join us again in this world. So if you will find me on the Instagram for at align with Preeti, and also transformation with Preeti Kang. So where we dive into the NLP, also energy alignment and emotional healing to help you thrive from the inside there. And until next time, keep healing, keep aligning, and keep thriving. I'm Coach Preeti Gang, and I will see you the next episode. Thank you, everyone.